Hello friends, we are back with another shoe review. Today is the Cosmic Unity 3 in Pale Vanilla, Sea Coral, and Topaz Gold. Look at this box. Like, I've had other shoes come from Nike.com in these weird boxes. Like, it's not really the box that's bothering me. The box looks whatever, normal, but I mean, what the fuck is with this label, man? Like, what does that mean when you get a label like that? Like, it almost looks like a sample label or something that you'd get like at an outlet or something, but I don't know. But anyways, yeah, let me know if you guys know what's up with that label. Doesn't feel good. I don't know if it feels bad, but yeah, it feels bad. It's a peculiar feel. But anyways, look at this. Not really my my type of thing, my feel, but I don't know. I don't really like these at all, actually. On the website, this wasn't so like fluorescent looking, and it almost looked like some kind of like hippie blanket or something like that from like the 60s or 70s with this color. The one that like I would normally get, there was the one that's all white and the bottom is black, and then this little stuff here is blue, a nice blue, like a royal blue. And you guys know that's my thing, like white, mostly white. And I'm kind of a plain guy, like mostly black or white shoes. So like this is definitely something that I would not normally get. But, and now that I have them in person, I'm not feeling it. Like, I don't know, I don't even know how I would wear this. Maybe just go all hippie and hit them with some, what do you call it, khaki shorts, and like, I don't know, a tie-dye shirt. That's gonna be way too much. But like, look at the grip, like how deep it is. Pause. That's hard plastic. I don't know if that's supposed to have like a purpose, like a performance purpose. And then this thing here is like, it looks like a little speaker. Pretty sweet. The detailing is awesome. The only reason I didn't get the white one is because this is all fabric, like the entire shoe. There's no leather, there's no vinyl. Like, you know what happens with this kind of stuff. Anything touches that, it's over. And the white ones are pure white. It's not like a sail or anything, like a little off-white type of look. It's just pure paper snow white. And it's, I think, like, bro, you wear those one day, you don't even have to touch anything. Just look at them wrong and you're gonna get a stain. But like, this detailing thing is pretty sweet. Yeah, this shoe is really nice, like the details and all the little, there's some weird stuff. And like, I tried one on, I don't know if you could tell from here, but when you try it on and you look at your feet, it's almost like obviously you know when it's on your foot which side is left and right. It's a little different, the details, but like the shape of it is like, it's almost like you can't really tell. It's weird. They're almost like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, they're really wide. This is a size 9 and it fit. I don't think you're gonna have a problem with these having to size up or down. This part is really wide, so yeah, it was really comfortable. And it's just this color. Like, if it wasn't for this, if this was like a more not so bright like that, it's almost like a safety orange. But damn, the detailing is so sick. Like, I don't know if you could see that in the camera. Yeah, like all the layers of fabric. And this is, I think this whole strip here is ventilation. Yeah. So anyways, this is a nice little embroidered. Everything's pretty much embroidered. There's nothing that's like printed on. There's some weird spots. Like when you look at this piece here, I don't know if that's you know, something's a little messed up over here. It's a little, you know, tiny little things like that. But overall, like, the quality is really nice. Everything's just super crispy. The padding on the inside is awesome. Like, it feels so good in this part. This is like a really important thing for me with shoes, how they feel like around that back part of your foot. And this part is really thick. And then you got like this weird, I don't really know how I feel about that. That's a little weird. But like, when I saw these, I kind of thought of like those van people you see on YouTube, kind of a hippie vibe type of thing, obviously with the colorway. But I mean, just something about them is like those type of people that like to, they live in the van or the RVs or whatever, and they like to go like hiking or, you know, that kind of stuff. I don't think this is good for hiking. Actually, I'm pretty sure this is it's a basketball shoe. Yeah, what am I talking about? But just the look of it, the shape of it, and like this stuff is so grippy. It's pretty stiff too, so I guess it has to be for basketball. Yeah, these would probably be really good outside too. It's just this whole top part is fabric, so it's pretty thick. Like, it's not, I don't know. And the tongue is like, when we check the other one out, you'll be able to see it better, but it's like just this piece of foam. It's not even like the foam in the those vintage, what is it, Blazers with the tongue that's like that foam. It's like, this is almost like neoprene. It's cool. Actually, it is neoprene, I think. It's not styrofoam or that foam stuff on the Blazer. It's different. But it comes out really nice. Actually, I'll pull the insole off for you too. So this is the factory lace one. That's how it came in this sketchy ass box. And then this is the one I tried on. So look at that. That's pretty sick. Like the shape of it, the look of it. If you're wearing it with like pants or shorts, whatever, the tongue comes out like nice. The shape of it too, like it's so contoured. That's awesome. That tongue is probably my favorite part, pause. But yeah, this is how I tied it up, how I tried it on. The structure of this shoe, everything about it, except for this, like, it's not bad, and it's on there good. It's not like it's gonna go anywhere. It's not too bad, but it's kind of like this side here is like kind of rough looking. You know what I mean? Like someone just cut them with a pair. It looks like maybe this was like up to here or something. Someone didn't like it and just snip with a pair of scissors and didn't even like do it nice. Like, it's, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I just took off one hole up here, or took off, yeah, one level, and just tied it up. And it kind of, very slightly kind of has a shape and look of Jordan 36. Yeah, 36. Kind of. Just the shape, not the design. But yeah, here you can see the tongue better. It's just like a nice, I don't know if I should use the word nice. It's like just one flat piece. It's not tied, it's not sewed down, so I think if you take the laces off, it's not gonna work. You need the laces. And let me take this thing out, or you can see the padding better in there. Let me get rid of this thing here. There's the inside, if you guys want to see that. But this insole is crazy. It's almost like, you remember those Kobe 7s? Yeah, that came with like two or three pairs of the insole that you could take in and out for whatever different types of cushioning. But yeah, it's pretty stiff, and it's like, I don't know what this material is. But yeah, really cool. Don't mind that fuzzy stuff. That was from my sock. But yeah, it's not like a usual Nike, you know, the little flimsy insoles that are usually kind of glued down a bit. But yeah, the Cosmic Unity 3 hippie colorway. I don't know what the actual name is, but true to size, don't size up or down. I mean, if you have like massive feet, actually, let me just try this on. Actually, you know what? You could, like, the width is pretty good. Yeah, you could do a half size up. I don't know if it's gonna look like big on your feet, like clown feet. Like, I know the Cosmic Unity ones, when I went to a size 9.5, it just looked weird. Like, I didn't like it. My feet, I looked like McDonald's because they were just the look. I guess the design, it made your feet look bigger, which is like, I don't know. I usually wear like more fitted pants, so fitted pants with like longer looking shoes is like really clown looking type of thing to me. But you could definitely do true to size. You could also go a half size up, especially if you're gonna play and you're like wrapping up your feet, or you got elite socks type of thing. You could do a half size up. But if you're gonna, especially if you're wearing them loose like that, and you just want to be cute, some jeans or something, true to size. Yes, one last look. Cosmic Unity 3. Lovely shoe. Yeah, I really, the color I'm not feeling. Actually, you know what? Before we go, I just wanted to say, this particular model, I don't think I saw any colorways that I liked. Like, they all look like shit. Cosmic Unity 2, same thing. There was that one that was, I think it was like called Coconut Milk or something. And it was like the original one that came out with the pink on one side and then the blue on the other side. Those were awesome. Those were like fucking 10 out of 10, 20 out of 10. And then the rest of them were like, yeah, I don't think there was any other nice ones that I liked. This one, the all white one with the black and then the blue at the back, those are sweet, but I just, you know, like I said, you wear them once, you look at them the wrong way, boom, cooked. I remember Cosmic Unity 1, there was a lot of awesome, like pretty much every colorway that came out, not every, but there was that one that was like pink with the green at the bottom, that was awesome. Yeah, there was a few that were really nice. But then the number 2 and number 3, they just got like so, it's like, who the fuck is gonna, like, maybe if it's like your team, like your school team or whatever you play for, the colors, I could see that happening. But I mean, like, if you're just wearing these going out, like even this is kind of, you gotta be a type of guy. I don't know if I could pull these off. I don't think I'm that type of guy. I actually, I'm not to wear this type of thing. But you know, if I figure something out, I'll let you guys know. I'll show you a pic or something. But yeah, got a few more. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hope you're good. All right, take care.